Today's video we're going to take you through how to import Divi layout packs. This is, as we mentioned, one of the coolest things about Divi in general is that you don't need child themes. You can just go in here, download a layout pack, or use one that's built into Divi and transform your site almost immediately. So I'm going to take you through the process. We've downloaded a layout pack already and we've unzipped it. And from there you just want to log in with Divi, go into the Divi menu, come over to Divi Library. So that's open and you're going to go to Import and Export. It's going to bring up this portability. You click over to Import, choose your file. It's going to bring up your file viewer. Ours is here. We've got the logistics layout pack, and I'm going to do the full layout. These are the files. You need a .json file. This one was cool. It came with the master JSON, it came with the full layout, and it came with the individual images. If you do the full layout, it's going to bring in all the images as well. So you can see the difference in size, the master versus the full. I just want to do the full layout. So we're going to hit open. It's going to attach the file here, and when we go hit import Divi Builder Layouts, it's going to jump through this import process, and it normally doesn't take too long. You can see we're halfway there, and this is not sped up. So we've got the layout imported, and you're going to see them populate right here. As the page reloads, you've got this full layout, which is cool, right? So now we're going to go over to Pages to use it, hit Add New, and so now we're going to type in Logistics, and we're going to use the Divi Builder. So we're going to launch this, and we're going to actually load one of our layouts since we've already imported it. And we'll go to Your Saved Layouts because Divi comes with some pre-made layouts, and then we're going to go to Your Saved, and you'll see Logistics full layout. You click on it, and it's going to drop it right into your page. And so you can see here will be the demo. It's going to use our generic header, and then as we come down, you've got the logo, you've got the layout already in place. So because I didn't update some of the imagery, you can see that it's a little off, and not every single image is back here, and most of them are in place. It looks like it might have missed some right here. But overall, it's pretty cool. It's almost completely done. You could open the Visual Builder, change the content, make a few small tweaks, and basically you have a page. It's in place. You change some of the settings on the context. But that's the beauty of Divi layouts. The Divi Builder is so powerful and the community is so strong. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I hope that it's brought you some value, and we'd love to connect. So hit the subscribe button here on YouTube and stay in touch. Until the next video, we'll talk to you soon.